Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English learning story. Tom was a student who wanted to learn English. He believed English was very important for his future. Many successful people spoke English confidently, and Tom wanted to become like them. He wanted to speak English without fear and communicate with people easily. But learning English was not easy for him, and he often felt confused and nervous. In school, Tom usually stayed quiet. When the teacher asked questions, he looked down and avoided eye contact. He was afraid of making mistakes. He thought other students would laugh at him if he spoke wrong English. Because of this fear, he did not speak much in class, even when he knew some answers. Tom liked English, but he did not like the fear that came with it. Every day, he told himself that he would speak English, but when the moment came, he became silent. He felt disappointed with himself. One day, the teacher asked Tom to read from an English book in front of the class. Tom stood up slowly. His hands were shaking and his heart was beating fast. When he started reading, he made many mistakes. Some students laughed quietly. Tom felt very embarrassed and uncomfortable. He finished reading and quickly sat down. He did not look at anyone. He felt ashamed and wished the class would end soon. After school, Tom walked home slowly. He kept thinking about what happened in class. He felt sad and disappointed. He thought English was too difficult for him. He thought maybe he would never learn English properly. When Tom reached home, he went to his room and sat quietly. He looked at his English book, but he did not open it. He felt tired and discouraged. He started thinking that maybe learning English was not possible for him. For some time, Tom thought about giving up. He felt that life would be easier if he stopped trying. He believed he was not smart enough. Then Tom remembered something his teacher once said. The teacher said that success comes to people who never give up. The teacher also said that mistakes are part of learning.